Hi friends, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will share to you a simple game that I wrote in Python. We will call the game paper, scissors, and rocks game. So here in the Philippines, it is called Jack and Poy, no? So before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, also to my new subscribers. And if you are new viewer and then you like my tutorials in my channel, I need your support guys by liking, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Actually almost every other day or every day, if I have time, I'm not busy, I always make tutorial videos, particularly with computer programming. So please support my channel guys. So let's get started. So we have here some comments. Title P1, P2. P1 represent player 1, P2 player 2, no? So we have here a series of conditional statements here. For P for paper, R for scissors. So we have here series of conditions. Else if, okay. So I will put a link in the description below guys, so that you can download the complete program listing, no? So if it is equals P, P1, P2 lower, so the lower function will convert the character or a string into lowercase, no? So else conditions, and we have here several conditions, no? Very long conditions. So let us run the program. Okay, so player 1, let's say we have paper. Player 2, paper, rock. Player 1 wins, paper covers the rock. Okay, let us run again. How about we have here rock and scissor. Player 1 rocks, breaks the scissors. Run again. We have here scissors in paper. So player 1 wins, scissors cuts the paper. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you have learned something new on how to create a paper, scissors, and rocks game in Python. There are so many conditions here using if-else statement in Python, so but it will make your program intelligent enough. So don't worry, because I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete and free program listing. So again, thank you so much. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by subscribing. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.